Alright guys, hello, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Over 50. Just want to make sure everything is going as planned. Yep, we are running. Alright, welcome back guys to my channel. I'm coming to you guys with a DIY. Yes, another DIY. Yeah, I know I'm a week behind, but that's okay. Forgive me. First of all, I want to give an honor to God, who is the head of my life. And hey, God has been good to me. Um, this DIY that we're getting ready to do is we're going to make a tray and a planter box to go with the tray that I am making. So basically guys, first thing I want to do, I want to show you how I made these little um, little what you call these little squares with beads in the middle. First, I started off with the tower Jenga blocks that you get from the dollar store, and the beads that I got, I ordered them on Amazon. So let me show you real quick how I put this together. How did I get this right here? So I took my Jenga block, got my ruler here, my plastic mat down so the glue won't, stick too bad to the surface. So I take my Jenga blocks here, and I just take my glue that I'm using from Dollar Tree, also the wood glue. I love this glue right here. It sticks. It really works very well for me. So what I am going to do here is take a piece. I want to set it up right here before I even start gluing it together. So this is the piece what I'm going to glue together. So I'm going to put a dab of glue here, put a dab of glue here, stick these two just like this. We already have some made. I just wanted to show you how I put this piece together real quick, and then we will go on to the next step. So once I get it like that, make sure it's straight and everything, I take this piece right here. This is the piece, oh sorry about that, not in frame. This is a piece I put 3 beads on a skewer, glued the beads so they wouldn't be able to move, put them a couple inches apart. And I'm going to take this bead here now, and I'm going to glue, put a little bit of glue here and here, and then I'm going to sit that, don't tell me I got that, glued it a little bit too, yeah I did, oops. Alright guys, I got to loosen one of these beads up. Alright, there we go. Put a little bit more glue on this bead right here, just to stick it again. Stick it, let it go right there. And I will cut that piece off at the bottom, like so. Just want to get it on there. Put some more glue on top to make sure it's secured, like so. Alright guys, wipe the glue off like we generally do guys, and then I'm going to set this aside to dry. This is how the back side look. You turn it around, and this is what the front side look. Now once the glue do dry, what we're going to do is sand around this to make sure when we get ready to paint it or stain it, the stain will go on very okay. So I'm gonna wait till this dry a little bit and clip that piece off, and then we can go into making our planter box. So I'm gonna set that aside. So in the meantime, for the rest of the planter box, I have 4 pieces here and 4 pieces here. I'm going to glue all of these together like so. Make sure they're even. I love this glue guys. This glue is very strong. I love how strong this glue is. To me, it is very strong. To come from the dollar store, I love it. So I'm going to get these two also glued together here, like so. And how you guys been doing out there in YouTube land? I've been doing great. Oh yes, I've been doing okay. Can't complain. Life happens. Hey, we all know that. So I hope everybody's been okay out there in YouTube land. Just straightening up my pieces. I want to make sure they're straight. Here we go. Alrighty. And I'm going to show you, I already have a planter box made, guys. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. Just trying to get these pieces straight before the glue set up. Sometime that wood glue can move a little bit, you know. So while that's setting up, let me show you the planter box that I did make. This is the planter box that we are going to be putting together. This is the first one. I want to make 2 of these, and I just put some eucalyptus plants in here, cut them off of my, you know, little vine here, stuck them in here like so, and I think it came out very, very, very cute. Put some little feet at the bottom, and this is how the tray is going to come. So basically, we're going to take all of the greenery out of this box, because basically we want to stain this, and the stain that we're going to go in with is honey, guys. This is the stain that I'm going to be using tonight. You want to shake your stain up very well before you use this stain. Let me put my gloves on. When you're using stain, guys, make sure you put you some gloves on, because hey, I have used it quite a bit of times without gloves, and it is hard to get off your hands. So yeah, we're going to put some gloves on this time. So I'm going to open this up like so, and we're going to stain this box. So this is my first box I made, and this is what I just got done gluing together. I will be making my second box. So the only thing I have a problem with staining right in here, so I'm going to have to get a brush, which I have one right here, that I'm going to use and put the stain on. Basically, I'm just going to put the brush in the stain, kind of get some of that off, and just go over it like so. I think this is a pretty color. This is honey. This is kind of becoming my favorite stain here. Oh yes, getting up in those little crevices real good. That's what I wanted. And here we go. Get around our little feet down here. And I am going to take this with a cloth, and now I'm going to wipe this off. I wonder, did I sand this? Because it looked like, oh well. Yeah, I think I didn't sand this. This is what happens, guys, if you don't sand the pieces. I thought I sanded this, but that's okay. It gives it that rustic look. That's all right. So basically, I'm going to get my sanding block. Hold on. Before I do any more staining. This block right here, you can get this also from your local dollar store. Make sure you sand all of this really good, which I didn't do on that side. You want to get all that glue off your piece. So I'm just going to take it and do it like this. A very light sanding. It don't take much to get that glue off at all. I'm going to sand this piece down, finish sanding this down, get that one together. And while I still get you guys on the camera, let me show you the tray that I also put together. I already had this done because I wanted this to glue overnight. This is what the tray looked like. Put the little feet at the bottom, put a piece of wood in it, and put my pieces around the tray. I think it came out very, very well, guys. I think it came out great. All around there. I couldn't put beads right here, but I was able to put the beads there on the side. So here we go. I think that came out great. And then these are the 2 planter boxes that I made to go with the tray. So what I'm gonna do, go off, sand this, get everything stained, and I will be right back, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I am back. I set my tray and the other planter I stained, and now I'm getting ready to go in, sand these down real good. Then I'm going to glue this together, show you guys how I glued this together, and then I'm going to show you the finished look on the tray. So that little piece that we had there, right now I can't really cut that off with a X-Acto a knife, because I need it really kind of cut off kind of up here a little bit. So I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and just going through it a little bit till I get it cut off. Kind of sew that little piece up. Okay. That glue still, it done set up enough that we can assemble our box. So basically, we just want to make sure the insides of that right there is in the middle like that. So we're going to assemble this real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys what my tray came out looking like. The color, I love the honey color. One thing that I did learn about working with wood, what I'm going to say, yep, I took 2 of them and glued that part up there like so. Put the other part on here. Let's see, can we get this to stand up without falling? Glue that like so. And the piece that we just made, we're going to glue that. Don't be stingy with your glue, guys. Okay. Made a mistake. That's okay. Glue didn't set up just yet. I hate when that happens. The glue didn't set up. Okay. What to do is put some extra glue on that. I kind of say, yep, I set it right in between there like that. So we're going to put some glue down here. Alrighty. Set that. It sets up pretty quick. I do like that about this glue. It really sets up pretty quick. So you can't be mad at it. Just like so. And there we have it. Now we can put our piece on. Because I'm just going to probably show you guys what the the other one just looks like. I just want to get this one glued together so the drying process can take place. Make sure it's all straight. Okay. Okay. This one's going to be a little different. Okay, guys, I'm going to set this over here. And I'm going to let that dry. Then I will glue the bottom of that together. You guys already seen basically what the planner looked like. Look like I may have to, yeah. Wow, I like that one better the way I glued that one together. But in the meantime, let me show you guys what the finished product looked like, guys. This is what it looked like. I love the way it came out, stained, and the honey. I really love the way it came out, guys. So basically, you know, you can take things, you know, you can set your candle holders in here, some ornaments around here for Christmas time. Basically, it's infinity, basically what you could do with this tray, guys. But yes, I am loving the look of this tray. Yes, I am, guys. So I hope you guys like it. Just a quick DIY. Wanted to come and show you guys the nice little tray I made. Actually, this is my first tray, guys, I made on wood tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep your head up, and like I say, always say, hey, repent, and Jesus love you. And hey, if you like this, put it down in the comment, guys. Let me know, what would you put on your tray for Christmas time or the holidays. Alright, guys, love you guys. I will be back with another video shortly.